Valentine's Day is coming up, you guys. If you don't know me, I love Valentine's Day. It's one of my favorite days. I don't care, single or not. One time I tried to have an anti-Valentine's Day when I was single, and I'm like, nope, I'm doing the anti-Valentine's Day. And by lunchtime I caved. I bought everyone at work roses.
And I was just like, I can't. I just love Valentine's Day.
So this is my Valentine's Day inspired look, and I have teamed up with Chanelle Angelina. Her channel is based on mom and beauty vlogs, so you guys should definitely go check her out because she did a different variation on this look that is kind of more of a softer eye and a bolder lip. So if you guys want to check that out, I will post her channel in the description box below. So let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, you guys, so because this is very vibrant, I went ahead and primed my eyes with the Moodstruck eye primer from Unique, and then just set it with this skin toned pressed shadow just to give us a starting base for the next color that we're going to put on, which is called Gingerly. I will link all these products that I use in the description box below. So this is just a nice warm golden brown to give us a really good transition. And the brush I'm using to apply this is the blending brush that is also from Unique, and I'm just making sure I get it all really good and blended. Okay, you guys, next I'm going in with probably one of my favorite colors. I love this color, and so I'm just making sure that I blend that in using the same brush into that gingerly color, and so it all just kind of fades together. And then I'm going into, this is called palette number 5, and it has these two red colors. So I just mixed them to give us a nice cherry base on our eyelid for the glitter that we are going to apply next. So then I applied that same primer that I initially put on, and while it's tacky, go and just pack on one of your favorite red glitters. This is just a glitter I had on hand and then cleaned everything up because, oh my gosh, the fallout on this is ridiculous. And then I just went back in with that gingerly color that we applied as our transition color on the lower lash line. And then went in with my Dip and Draw eyeliner, liquid liner, and I'm just starting the base of the wing and then just connect it to that lash line that I just initially drew. And then I'm going in with, this is Magnificent Splurge Cream Shadow, and I am tight lining my waterline on the upper and lower lash line. And then after I had all the black applied, I went back in with that Fervent color and just smoked it out a bit just to soften the black. And then curled my lashes, applied some Epic mascara, and then went in with this little gold color just in the corner, inner corner of my eye. Applied my lashes. I love these lashes, you guys. And then I just smoked out with that gingerly color again just to blend everything. And then I just went ahead and primed my skin and then went in with my liquid foundation. And this is in the color Chiffon. And I am applying it with the powder concealer brush. I love this brush, you guys, because you flip it over, and now I'm cleaning up all underneath my eye with my concealer. Same brush for the foundation and the concealer. That's why I love this brush so much. And just cleaning up that wing. And then I just buff it. I flip it and buff it in with the other side that I applied my foundation with. Then I'm using the exact same brush and just setting it all in place with my translucent setting powder. This one is from Unique as well. And just kind of packing that all in because I have very oily skin. So I'm just putting it on all the areas that my skin gets really oily. And then I'm taking an angled brush, and this is the blusher brush from Unique, with my Beachfront bronzer and just doing a little bit of contouring. Here I am carving out my cheekbones, and then I'm going to just apply a little bit on my forehead just to tie everything in. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some underneath my chin because this really just chisels out your jaw. And then with what's left on my brush, I'll just fade it down my neck just to blend it in really good. And then for just a super quick nose contour, I just take a little bit and apply it on either side of my nose with the brush. You can skip this. I know some people don't like to contour their nose, or some people go really detailed with a small brush, but I was just being quick here with it. And then this blush, you guys, I love it so much, but they don't make it anymore. So a blush that I really love that's very similar to it is NARS Orgasm. And then because I want my lower lashes to be as dramatic as my false lashes that I have on, I'm applying a second coat of mascara and then just taking just a little bit of mascara to blend my lashes together and then drenching my face with setting spray because I love this palette so much, you guys. This is the Tarte Pro Glow palette. It smells like heaven. Like it smells like dessert, chocolate or something. I don't know. It's so good. So I start with the darker highlight colors and then I build it up to the lightest colors in the palette, and this just gives you like a really blended highlight that doesn't just look like strips of highlight on your face. And clearly I'm obsessed. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. So now I'm just going in with that super light color and just putting a little bit right on the tops of my cheekbones, and then going in and highlighting my brow bone with an angled brush. Oh, so good. And then just packing some of that in my inner corner. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then going in with one of my favorite nude lipsticks. This is Well To Do, and it's a Unique Opulence lipstick. I will link it below. And then lining it with a dark nude liner called Pouty. And this just gives it just a little bit of depth, and then I just darkened it in the outer corners of my mouth. And then let's tame the beast. Oh my goodness. Okay, my hair is a hot mess, and if you guys know me, you know that I push my hair to the limits. I hate washing it because I hate styling fresh, cleaned hair. But anyways, I'm going in and tossing in a whole bunch of back combing. This is my secret to every single hairstyle that I do. If you guys used to come to me in the salon, you know this. I am a back comb addict. So anyways, once you have that good base of back combing in, smooth it all over, and then this is my favorite hairspray. I've been using it since back in the salon days as well, and just smoothing any flyaways and just making sure that stays nice and crisp and sleek, and voila. So what did you guys think of that look? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that inspired you guys to try something maybe a little more bold and fun for Valentine's Day. And remember, be sure to go over to Chanelle's YouTube channel and check out her Valentine's Day look with a bold lip, and make sure that you subscribe to her channel because I think you guys will really enjoy her mom vlogs and her beauty posts. They're also awesome. And make sure you guys click subscribe and the little bell so you guys are notified when I upload my next video. It's going to be all on makeup brushes. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my brows, I'll link that in the description and the card above. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.